Hi, this is Whitney with PolicyPak Software. In the last video, we looked at creating and updating the Group Policy Central Store, and we also looked at creating the PolicyPak Central Store. In this video, we're going to talk about how to update your PolicyPak Central Store. So just to reiterate, that Central Store is located right here in C, Windows, sysvol again, domain name, policies, and then PolicyPak. That is the central store. And right now you can actually see that I have the packs that I have in here. You can actually see that they are really old. Some of them are from 2015, 2016, and I have some policies that I've created with those packs in them. And when I go over here to edit them, you're going to be able to see that it was compiled with an older version. Right here, we've got it right here, compiled with 1098 here, and again you can see the extension version is clearly older since as of this recording it's 2018. So what I've done is I've gone to the PolicyPak website and I've downloaded all of the packs that we have available on the site. Now to do the actual updating, there's a couple of different ways I can do this. I can either update it manually or I can use the GPO touch tool. I'll start with manually and then we'll talk about the tool. So I'm going to go over here and I have my central store open already, and then I'm going to go to my new packs folder where I have Firefox. I'm going to grab that. You can see this was modified. This was modified recently. So we're going to go ahead and grab that DLL just like when you created it in the first place, and we'll copy it over. We're going to replace this file in the destination, and we can close this stuff out. And now we're going to go back to that, back to there, and we'll see what happens. So, whoops, there we go. Let's come back to here and application settings. And you'll notice now that this says extension location, central storage, and it's going to say newer. This means that there is now a newer DLL than what this was originally created with. So what I'm going to do is, if I double click on this to edit it, it's going to just let me know that it was created by an obsolete DLL and will be upgraded using a current DLL. We'll tell it OK. And we can go from there. So that's one way to do this. It's manual and you have to go in there and change it yourself. We also have a GPO touch tool that I'd like to show you. It installs alongside the admin console MSI when you install that on your management station. And I have it under here under my most used. If you don't see it there, you can also go down to the PolicyPak folder and grab the GPO touch tool. We have a few options here. I am just going to look at upgrading both the DLLs and the GPOs. What that does is it goes through and it gets the new DLLs, it replaces the old ones, and then it goes through and modifies the actual group policy objects that have those DLLs in use. You can upgrade only the DLLs if you've already manually moved the files over. Or if you're in a situation where the DLL maybe got deleted from the central storage, you can go ahead and repair any orphaned packs. Like if you have a GPO that's using a DLL that got deleted, you can fix that. But today we're just going to look at upgrading both the DLLs and the group policy objects. So I'm going to click Next. And it wants to know where are the DLLs? Where are the latest, greatest packs? So I'm going to choose my directory, and I'm going to go with New Packs right there. And there we go. It has found, here are the new packs. Those are the DLLs in the directory that I selected. So we're going to find out which one of these are newer than what I'm already using. So I'll just click Next. And it looks like 3 of them are newer than what I'm already using. So I have, it looks like 3 of them are newer than what I'm currently using. So it lets me know what the old compiled with is, what the new one is. These are all the same version. And I'm going to choose Next. And so it just went through and it updated all of those DLLs in my central storage. The next thing we're going to do is have it look at my GPOs. It's scanning through those and finding out which one of those GPOs has PolicyPak packs in them. So it lets me know these contain outdated packs. So it lets me see that, and I can click Next. And now when I finish up, we can go back to my console and we can see that, say, I know Google Earth was one of the ones. So let's edit that and take a look at the settings. And we come right over here and we see, there we go. It's that same version we looked at a minute ago, 1167. And there we go. If we check out TeamViewer, we're going to see that it was also compiled with that same 1167. Let's go check this out. There we go. TeamViewer compiled with 1167. So we've gone through and we replaced all of the outdated DLLs and replaced them within the GPOs as well using that GPO touch tool. So either way you want to go about it, manually or with the tool, is fine. And that's how you update your PolicyPak Central Store. Hope that helps you out. Thanks so much.